Alright guys, so it's now 3:14. Time for us to go check into our 5-star hotel that I got for y'all, just for y'all guys. I'll let y'all know how it looks like because I'm interested in seeing what it looks like too, so we see what it is. But it's the we're gonna be staying at this place right here, guys. It's the 4 Point at Sheraton. So it's a 5-star. It's a 5-star hotel. I think we got a corner room, beach view. One of the top of the line suites is what I got. So we'll see what's all about. Like shit. Our little apartment just down over there. It's not too far from here, but I want to get in here and just to see what it's all about over here. We'll check it out. Y'all let me know if y'all willing to spend a night here. Peace. So this is inside the hotel. It's pretty.
Let's go. Thanks, Bob. Can I sing a word? Is it cool?
Yeah.
You have to use it?
Yeah, I am.
You need to skate.
Yeah, I know.
11:01. So 11:01. Oh, 11:03. 11:03. Huh? 11:03. That look like it's us. Hold that. Alright guys, y'all gonna be in the surprise for us too, so bam. Ooh, bathroom in here already. Okay. So you got a table. Look like you got some coffee. You got a good little coffee maker here. Nice couch. Nice bed. Ooh, look at this bathroom in here. What the hell? There's 2 bathrooms. Oh yeah, so double sink, his and her sink. Got your toilet here. Nice bathtub. Yeah. Nice bathtub. Big mirror. Oh, you know you're in store when they give you the robe. Yep, robe. Yep. Ow, that shit hurts. But okay, you know you got you some slippers, a safe, an iron. Let's see the view. All right, let's check out the view. Ooh. Ooh. Broski. I could fuck with this. Oh. Beautiful view. You got a little bit of city street that way. Beautiful view. Oh, bắt tôi hay lo? Oh my God. So let's check out this bathroom in here. What is this? Oh, so this is a little simple bathroom, you know? This is the one you go take a shit in, so it doesn't stinking. So, big giant TV. Yeah, and your boy got the balcony, buddy. Your boy got the balcony. It's a little hot, so nobody's out on the beach yet. Not on this side, but if you look way down there, there's some people down there already. So that's cool. And you know what? Look at this. They even gave us some complimentary fruits. And so we also got breakfast. It's 12 bucks. So it's actually kind of expensive, but we'll see what's all about, because if you book it with the room, it's 12 bucks. If you do it by yourself, it's like 20 bucks. So yeah, this place comes with breakfast. It got a balcony, it got a big master room, good little living quarters, 2 bathrooms, you got a tub, and you got one hell of a view. I fuck with this view. Yeah. So this is just the room, guys. I mean, hell, let me... Wait. First of all, you already know we got to do the bed check. The bed check. Baby, hold that. Don't tackle.
Có được nhiều không? Okay.
Every time you go to a new hotel and you want to check if the bed's good or not, this is what you got to do. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh, gosh. Okay. 10 for this bed. It's fucking on point. All right. Excuse the mess here. Fuck it. It's just y'all. But yeah, man, let me show y'all. Alright, guys, like I said, that's just the room. Dear T. Lee, welcome. We're delighted to have you at the 4 Point by Sheraton, Da Nang. May your experience be enjoyable and memorable. Thank you for staying with us. Best regard, front office team. Thank you, guys. So, yep, this is the receipt for the breakfast. This is the extra card. This is what I was looking for. So yeah, man, guys, there's breakfast is at 6 to 10. You got a gym that's 24/7. You got a sauna whirlpool from 6 to 9. You got hotels here. You got happy hours. You know, we're about to go check that shit out. And on the 3rd floor, on the 36th floor, right on the top, it's the rooftop bar, or the rooftop pool. So on top there is the rooftop bar, rooftop swimming pool. So we'll go up there and let y'all see that shit in a minute. I forgot to even do it, but here on the 34th floor is the spa room. They have really good prices and everything on their spas. If y'all into that, I might think about getting a full body massage because I need it. But now we're gonna go up to the 35th floor. We're gonna check out the gym and their sauna whirlpool. So pretty interesting to see what that's all about. And then from there, we're gonna go to the 36, which they're gonna have look like they got a bar. Oh, you can use this one also?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So you can also use.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys. We just made it to the 35th floor, which looked like it's the gym. Which, where is it? Like a bathroom. These are all sauna rooms, I think. The bathroom. Oh, here's the gym. Shit, let's go check out the gym. Oh, it's nice in here. Oh man. Bro, you can get a good ass workout when you come into here. Like this type of view. So they got some treadmills. They got some treadmills, some free weights, some dumbbells. Got a squat machines over here. Medicine ball. You can tell your boy need to work out too. Your boy got himself a little billy. They got bikes. Look like we're pretty good. Got them a Smith machine. And then on this side, looks like they got such a beautiful view of the city from here, guys. Like, man, like this place is so cool because you get mountain, beach, city, all in like the same area, man. That's just dope. So this is the 35th floor. Crazy view. Nice gym too. Nice gym too. I mean, like for real. And the view is just to die for, man. All right, so that's the gym. Let's go see. We can see. Go check out the sauna. On the whirlpool. Okay, guys. I don't know where that sauna whirlpool is at, but we're just gonna go ahead and make our way up to the rooftop bar and the swimming pool area on the 34th floor, the 36th floor. One thing for sure is that these elevator is either a tall ass building or a slow ass elevator. So which one will come first? All right. So this is the pool, which they say that's actually under maintenance right now. They're cleaning up the pool, so we ain't gonna get to use the pool, but the pool's out here. It looks good. Good access. Yeah. And then this is the bar. This is the rooftop bars on this side. So that's it. Cho mà nhỏ nữa là hài lóc cho nó nhỏ. Rất là hai cái hôi lưu và tôi nó còn thế đấy nữa. You can always come out here. Looks clean. Yeah, I would say the pool looks clean. And we got all the. Oh, over here, baby. Oh, okay, so you can come swimming over here. This is the other pool. So this one's good. Oh, man. Look like the water feels pretty good. Oh, so they got them a little bar area over here too. Hello. Oh shit! About to bust my ass, guys. So that's the view. So that's it, guys. This right here is the 36th floor. You got the pool. It's the full point at Sheraton, the name. Yeah, man. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go back to the room. We're gonna go change into our bathing suit, and we're gonna come back here to the pool and enjoy the pool for a little bit till the sunset a little bit. Might go down to the beach and enjoy the day. We'll catch y'all back in a bit.
Guys, I didn't get the view yesterday. I forgot all about this view, boy. The tub view, man. Oh, beautiful.
Okay, guys. So today's breakfast consists of, we got pate pie. I guess you can call it burger home. Oh, tofu. All your drinks over here. Drink station. You got your coffee. Get your waffles, bagels. Bread. Oh, too fast, huh? Bread. You got your fruits over here. Oh man, these fruits were really good yesterday, so I had these yesterday. They're really good. Oh yeah, kimchi straight up in the morning. You know it's gonna be good. Green beans, sticky rice, steamed pork dumplings. Oh yeah, maybe that's gonna be good. Sweet potato, dumpling. Oh yeah, that's some seafood fried rice, stewed vegetable, baked beans. Oh yeah, that's the egg stuff. Got scrambled eggs, tomato, pork sausages. Ooh, it's the eggs inside. You know the noodle section is always good. All right, and they got oh, they got so much other stuff over here. So yeah, that's just a brief walkthrough. A brief. Alright, so that was just a brief walkthrough of all they have here at this hotel. I mean, it's a lot of options. Now I'm gonna shut the hell up and eat because I'm hungry as fuck. Alright, peace. Alright guys, so this is all spread today. Got fun, just an array of different food, fruits, pastry, food, noodles, fuck pie if you know what it is. This is the dining area. So now we got a little bit of the view as we enjoy this. To be honest, sitting right here is kind of hot already, but alright. So that's what it is. I'm gonna shut the fuck up because my ass is hungry and I'm about to eat. Peace. Alright guys, we just checked out from this place. Little bittersweet. Honestly, I didn't want to leave, but your boy don't have the budget for this to stay longer than one day. So we're gonna go back to our budget apartment, which is like less than a mile away from here. We're just gonna walk there, and then we're gonna just stay in the room for the next 2 days because like this place done drain my wallet. So I ain't got nothing for y'all for the next 2 days. Sorry guys. Alright guys, we're back into our humble little apartment. That was so nice to just have a little bit of luxury spot. But that was it. That was the one we stayed at right there. That one right there. It's a 4 point, but now we're back into our humble little apartment. We'll catch y'all back.